Hello, willpower. Many times we wonder when we recognize the strength hidden within us. This is because we normally do not recognize it. Only when challenges or problems we are facing becomes huge, then this willpower takes action. It resides in each and every one of us. Only thing we do not recognize that. The strength and the belief that let come what may, I can face it and I can be successful. This power is hidden within us. Only thing we have to recognize that we have got the willpower to sustain, maintain, and achieve anything in life. Thank you.